Duolingo's stock flapped up and down, initially surging over 30% after the company released its second quarter earnings report, which exceeded analyst expectations. However, the gains were partially erased after OpenAI debuted its latest GPT-5 model, which demonstrated capabilities that overlapped with Duolingo's core functionality as a language learning platform. Despite this, Duolingo's stock still closed with a 13.75% daily gain. The company's earnings report revealed strong growth, with daily active users rising 40% year-over-year to 47.7 million, although this marked the weakest rate of expansion since 2022. Monthly active users increased 24% to 128.3 million, while paid subscribers grew 37% year-over-year. Revenue jumped 41% to $252.3 million, surpassing analyst expectations of $241 million. Earnings per share also exceeded expectations, reaching 91 cents compared to the anticipated 58 cents. Meanwhile, total bookings grew 41% to $268 million. Duolingo's CEO, Luis von Ahn, attributed some of the company's growth to lower-than-expected AI costs and strength in our ads business. He also emphasized the app's chess course offering as a contributing factor. The company's financial performance was strong enough to prompt UBS analysts to raise their price target to $500. Von Ahn highlighted Asia as the fastest-growing region, with particular strength in China, although the company is still awaiting approval to launch its AI-powered Max plan in the Chinese market due to local regulations on artificial intelligence services. The company introduced 148 new language courses using generative AI, more than doubling its previous offerings. Von Ahn stated that without AI, it would take the company decades to scale its content to more learners. Despite some criticism from users, Duolingo's financial results tell a different story, with daily active users growing 40% year-over-year and revenue expected to exceed $1 billion this year. So even though challenges and controversies surrounding its use of AI linger, Duolingo's outlook for the full year has been raised, with expected revenue between $1.01 billion and $1.019 billion.